Welcome back for another video of Surface Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset a surface indicator of a smart Forfour 2015. This is slightly different than the video I made before. This has buttons on our steering wheel, so the reset is slightly different, and that's why I make this tutorial. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Surface Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Use the commentary if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. The ignition is off. When we turn the ignition on, there is an indicator popping up over here that the surface is due. What you need to do is ignition is on, this indicator. Then we're going to scroll through the menu by pressing the arrow up or down button. Find the surface area, this here. Then press the OK button. Keep it pressed. It takes about 30 seconds. And the surface indicator on the screen will flash. Keep it pressed until the flash is over. Still pressing it. Still pressing it. Yes. And as you can see, the next surface is due to 20,000 kilometers now. Turn the ignition off, do the test, and you'll see that it won't indicate anymore that the surface is due to reset. That was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.